Welcome to Knowledge Series Shorts. Have you ever heard people saying that I trade in derivatives? So what does that actually mean? So this short will clear your all doubts regarding the meaning of derivatives and the type of derivatives. So in simple words, derivatives are something which price or which value depends on the asset. So this is called as underlying asset. So these are the financial contracts whose value depends on the underlying asset. So let us understand with an example. For example, if you book a flat on a current date at a price of say 1 crore and you enter into an agreement and you have to make a payment say after 1 year period of time. So you cannot predict whether the price will be increased from the 1 crore or it will decrease below 1 crore. That is gain or loss is unpredictable. So this derivatives are exactly same. You enter into agreement at a fixed price for the future date. So there are majorly four types of derivatives in the stock market. First, futures. Second, option. Third, forward, and fourth, swap. So let us understand it one by one. So futures are nothing but you agree to buy or sell at a particular fixed price. These are compulsory. Second, options. These options you have a choice to buy or sell the particular asset at a fixed price. There is no compulsion. It provides an option to buy or sell. So there are call option and put option. Call option means option to buy and put option means option to sell. Third, forward. Forward is just similar like a futures, but it is not traded on the exchange. You can only do over the counter. Fourth, swap. This means exchange. For example, you can enter into a agreement that you will fixed interest can be exchanged with the floating interest. They are highly providing return, but the risk is also high because high return is equal to high risk. I hope this video is helpful. Stay connected for more videos. Bye.